When it comes to home improvements, upgrading your doors may not always be the first thing on your mind. However, it can have a significant impact on your Pasadena home. From enhancing security to boosting curb appeal, upgrading your doors offers a variety of benefits that can improve both the functionality and aesthetics of your home. Whether you're replacing outdated doors or looking to increase the value of your property, this upgrade is a smart investment for homeowners in Pasadena. In this article, we will explore the key benefits of upgrading your doors and why this simple home improvement should be at the top of your list. Enhanced curb appeal. Your doors are one of the first things people see when they approach your home, and first impressions matter. Upgrading your front door and other exterior doors can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. Modern aesthetic. A new door can instantly modernize the exterior of your home. Whether you opt for a sleek, contemporary steel door or a traditional, warm wooden door, you can choose a design that complements the style of your home. A stylish door will add character and make your home more inviting. Increased value. The entrance to your home sets the tone for the rest of the property. By installing a high-quality, attractive door, you increase the market value of your home, which is particularly beneficial if you plan to sell in the future. A well-chosen door not only adds beauty but also helps potential buyers form a positive first impression. Improved energy efficiency. Upgrading your doors can make a noticeable difference in your home's energy efficiency. Older doors, particularly those with poor insulation, can cause drafts and let valuable heat escape during the winter months or allow hot air to enter during the summer. Insulation. Modern doors, especially fiberglass or steel doors, are designed with insulated cores to provide better protection against temperature fluctuations. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor climate, reducing the reliance on heating or cooling systems. Lower utility bills. By installing energy-efficient doors, you can reduce your heating and cooling costs. Better insulation keeps your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer, preventing your HVAC system from working overtime. This, in turn, can lower your utility bills. Weather resistance. Newer doors come with advanced weatherproofing features, such as weather stripping and multi-point locking systems, which ensure that your door seals tightly, preventing drafts and energy loss. Increased security. Your doors are one of the most critical components in your home's security system. If your doors are old or poorly constructed, they can become vulnerable to break-ins. Upgrading your doors can significantly improve your home's security. Stronger materials. Modern doors are often made from stronger materials like solid wood, steel, or fiberglass, offering much better protection than older models. Steel doors, for example, are highly resistant to forced entry, making it more difficult for intruders to break in. Enhanced locking mechanisms. New doors often come with multi-point locking systems or smart locks that are much more secure than traditional locks. These advanced locking mechanisms make it harder for burglars to gain access to your home, offering peace of mind. Impact-resistant glass. If your door includes glass panels, consider upgrading to impact-resistant glass. This type of glass is designed to withstand force and is less likely to shatter, adding an extra layer of protection to your home. Better functionality. Older doors may not operate as smoothly as newer models, leading to frustration and inconvenience. By upgrading your doors, you can improve their functionality and ease of use. Smooth operation. New doors are designed to open and close easily, without sticking or warping. Whether you're upgrading your front door, patio door, or sliding door, a new door will operate smoothly and without resistance, making your home more convenient to use. Better ventilation. Many modern doors, especially patio doors and French doors, are designed to allow for better airflow, helping to keep your home ventilated without the need for air conditioning. This is particularly important in Pasadena, where the weather can fluctuate, and good ventilation can enhance comfort. Low maintenance and durability. Upgrading your doors can also mean less maintenance in the long run. Older doors, particularly those made from wood, can require frequent painting or sealing to prevent rot, warping, or cracking. Newer doors made from materials like fiberglass or steel are much more durable and require far less upkeep. Weather-resistant materials. Materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, or steel are designed to withstand the elements, offering long-lasting durability without the need for constant repairs or maintenance. These doors are resistant to moisture, pests, and UV damage, ensuring they stay in excellent condition for many years. Cost savings. Because these materials require little maintenance, you'll save money over time on repairs and upkeep. This makes upgrading your doors a smart investment in the long run. Noise reduction. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or near a busy street, upgrading your doors can help reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home. New doors, especially those with double-glazed glass or solid cores, can provide better sound insulation, creating a quieter living environment. Quieter home. Modern doors are designed to minimize sound transfer, which helps keep your home peaceful and calm. Whether you live near traffic, a school, or a busy area, soundproof doors can make a significant difference in your daily comfort. Conclusion. Upgrading your doors in Pasadena offers a variety of benefits that go beyond just improving your home's appearance. From enhancing security and energy efficiency to providing better functionality and soundproofing, new doors make a valuable investment for any homeowner. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home, but you'll also increase your property's curb appeal and market value. Whether you're updating your front entry door, patio doors, or sliding doors, upgrading to modern, high-quality doors is an investment that will pay off for years to come.